Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and this is the Belkin Boost Charge Pro. It's a wireless charger for the iPhone, alright. Let's unbox these. There we go. Right, we have all the manuals here, which is crazy huge. I mean, it's a lot. And we have the right. So I think it's on the top here. Oops, just take this off. Perhaps we should open it on the top actually. Yes, let's move it out from here. So it's in green color. And there we have it. It's basically a charger and a cable here, which is built in, I think. Yeah, it's non-removable. So this cable size is quite long. I think it's about 1.5 meters. So let me test it on my iPhone 15 Pro Max here with a MagSafe case. Alright, so it does stick quite well because of my MagSafe case. Alright, this is a wrinkle case, as you can see. So let me try removing the case and use it on the iPhone itself. Right, I definitely feel that it's not that strong if you are not using any case. So definitely get a case and it will be much better. Right, so yeah, that's it for the quick video on this Belkin Boost Charge Pro, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.